A locked practice mode in Solitaire cache can be caused by account illegibility, app state, or a feature that is not currently available for your account. So repeatedly reinstalling the app is not the best first step. By the end, you'll know which settings to check, how to refresh the app safely, and when the lock is likely controlled by Solitaire cache rather than your phone. First, check whether Solitaire cache shows any message explaining why practice mode is locked. Read the exact message before changing anything. If it mentions eligibility, location, account status, or another requirement, that message is more useful than a generic troubleshooting step. Next, make sure you are signed into the correct Solitaire cache account. If you recently signed out, changed your login method, or created another account, the feature may appear differently because account progress and available features can depend on the account you are using. After confirming the account, completely close Solitaire cache and reopen it. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Solitaire cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove the app before launching it again. Then, check for an app update. Open Google Play on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Solitaire cache, and install an available update. Features that depend on the current version of the app may not work correctly when the installed version is outdated. Android users can also clear the Solitaire cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Solitaire cache, then select Storage or Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache if available. Clearing a cache removes temporary files without using the same process as clearing the app's stored data. Avoid selecting Clear Storage or Clear Data, unless you know your Solitaire cache login information, and understand that you may have to sign in again. If practice mode remains locked after restarting the app and installing the latest available update, check whether other game modes are available. If other modes work normally while practice mode stays locked, the problem is more likely related to the feature itself or your account rather than a general app failure. Also, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if possible, then reopen Solitaire cache. A connection problem can prevent the app from loading the latest account or feature information. If there is still no change, take a screenshot of the locked practice mode screen and contact Solitaire cache support. Include your device model, operating system version, app version, account login method, and the exact message shown on screen. The practical order is: confirm the account, read the lock message, restart Solitaire cache, update the app, refresh the connection, and clear the Android cache if applicable. If practice mode is still unavailable after those steps, the restriction may need to be resolved by Solitaire cache rather than through your phone settings. If this fixed the issue, like the video, and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.